Hello interweb and welcome. Today we're going to do a route around the peaks with my fellow vlogger, the Motor Explorer. He's done the route he sent me last night. I've had a glance over it. A lot of the roads I've already done, but it looks a good route. The route's 95 mile and we're going to have a stop halfway there. So our first destination will be Home Firth. I don't believe we're going to stop there. We're going to ride straight through. Yeah, if you all could check out the Motor Explorer's website, YouTube channel. I never get bored of that view. We're just dropping down into Home Firth. He's not a slow rider, the old Motor Explorer. I haven't gone beyond my limits yet. I generally don't. Beautiful. Beautiful. We got a bit of sunshine. Now just take a look at that. Look at that. It's not even Sunday. Slow and steady, wins the race. I'm just living the dream. Tell you what, it's dropped a bit again, although it says it's 11 Celsius. Yeah, the bad thing about these bikes, you can't really push them downhill because they're so heavy. They'll need a lot more stopping. Look at that. But I do like this road. I just hate this junction at the end of it. Very, very inviting corner. Nearly over full now. Bank it for the summer, bank it. It is full. This has got to be the most dangerous corner in the entire world. I hate it with a passion. You got proper stop, 30 blind there. Definitely blind there. It's a little bit awkward hill wise. So we'll probably end up cutting a bit of this out. You have to totally stop, look that way, and go. And then gun it because it's a 60-mile-an-hour road. Just like that. Well, I'm on the centre now. It looks like my GoPro battery's run out. It's run out quite quick, to be fair, so I don't know if I've left it on one time. If so, there's plenty of footage for you guys to watch. Unless it's shit, and I'll just edit it out. But this looks okay, doesn't it? The thing is, when you're with two, I can't just pull up and change my batteries, but I think I would. but not to worry. I've got the spare. Also, I don't know if my mic's working. I've been having issues with my mic, and I'm not sure why yet. Anyway, while I'm on the centre, generally that works with faultless. There's one thing I mentioned last time I were out, but my mic failed, so you didn't hear it, so I cut it out. But on top of my tour this year, I'm also getting married in October. I'm 51-year-old and it's my first marriage. So there'll be no more new bikes, new cars, and all the other selfish things I do. I'll have to start thinking about others. What a bummer. But no, yeah, look forward to it. A very, very exciting 2023 for me. Oh, and expensive. I'll knock you up for now and I'll try and change my batteries when I can. See you in a bit. That's where me and Biff stopped for our sandwich when we went to Wales. If you're watching, Biff, you can confirm that for me. I'm sure it is. I think, yeah, we'll turn right here, and I think that road gets a little bit interesting, so I'll leave my Senna on. Senna's not the best quality, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, all these diggers were in here. Yeah, I think it's a bit shit now actually, so bye.